Hello, this is Sayyam Jain, entrepreneur, filmmaker and a graphic designer, welcoming you all on this auspicious event of Passion Makes Life Perfect book launch organized by Kalinga University, Raipur, published by Notion Press, Chennai.
श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती
Books are our companion. They teach us, preach us, opens our mind and heart to infinite world of knowledge. They help us grow personally, professionally, mentally and as well as emotionally. With these words, I, Kapil Kelkar, head in charge of the fashion design department, welcome you all once again to the book launch ceremony of Passion Makes Life Perfect by author Mr. Sayyam Jain with guest writers Saud Ahmed, Khushi Jain and our very own Kalinga member Ms. Avinash Kaur. It's a moment of great privilege and honor for me to extend a warm welcome to all of you present here, especially Vice Chancellor Sir, Director General Sir, respected IIA, respected heads of the department and my faculty members. He has sung more than 80 songs, including a blockbuster album of very famous Chhattisgarhi movie, Ek Aur Love Story, having more than 5 million plus views on YouTube and very powerful Satnam Naam song. He supported Sayyam Jain in his first music video, Mile Ajnabi, as a singer. I request Mr. Anurag Sharma to please come up on the stage and take his seat. Sir, please. Next, I would like to welcome the special guest of the day and author of today's book launch, Mr. Sayyam Jain. He is an aspiring film director, entrepreneur, and a graphic designer. He is the founder of Khwab Productions, a film and music production company. With an independent experience of 3 years, he has worked with more than 20 national and 10 international clients as a digital marketer. In 2018, he was a part of Vibes 360, a Guinness Book of World Record winning fashion show. During his learning period as a film director, he has made more than 5 short films addressing the social issues, which includes Rahasya and Talash. Along with this, he made 3 music videos and cover songs, including Mile Ajnabi, working with Mr. Anurag Sharma, a very renowned singer, which was a small success in his life. He has faced a lot of challenges in his childhood. Even when he got surrounded by all the negativity, he developed the best version of himself by finding and pursuing his passion of becoming a film director, and he is continuing chasing his passion as he believes that passion makes life perfect. We are glad to have with us Honorable Guest of Honor, our Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, Dr. R. Sridhar Sir. I request Sir to please come up on stage and take his seat. Sir, please. Next, I would like to invite our Honorable Director General Sir, Dr. Baiju John Sir, to please come up on the stage and take his seat. Sir, please. Next, I would like to invite respected in charge academic affairs, Mr. Rahul Mishra Sir, to please come up on stage. Sir, please. Well, now it's time to welcome the eminent personalities on the stage with a potted plant as a token of love and gesture. And for that, I would request Dr. Harsha Patil ma'am, HOD Education Department, to please welcome the chief guest of the day, Mr. Anurag Sharma, with a potted plant. Ma'am, please. Thank you, ma'am. Next, I would request Dr. V.P. Kola sir, Dean of Science, to please welcome the special guest of the day, Mr. Sanyam Jain, with a potted plant. Sir, please. Thank you, sir.
First, I would like to congratulate Sanyam Jain ji for keeping such a great milestone in his life and his career. And thank you so much कि आप सब ने मुझे यहाँ बुलाया. Passion makes your life perfect. मुझे लगता है कि हम सब कहीं न कहीं इस बात से एग्री करते हैं, और अगर थोड़ा बहुत मन में डाउट हो तो मुझे लगता है शायद इनकी ये किताब पढ़ने के बाद वो डाउट भी क्लियर हो. Being an artist, आई नो कितना मुश्किल होता है अपने पैशन को परस्यू कर पाना, अपने पैशन को प्रोफेशन में कन्वर्ट कर पाना. क्योंकि अगर आप का पैशन नॉर्मल तो नहीं कहूँगा, जो रूटीन चीज़ें हैं उनमें है. लाइक अगर आप मैथ्स में अच्छे हैं तो आपको पेरेंट्स बड़ा अप्रिशिएट करते हैं कि हमारा बच्चा इंजीनियर बनेगा, साइंटिस्ट बनेगा. बट अगर आपका पैशन किसी लीग से हट के चीज़ आर्ट में है तो पैशन भी वरीड होते हैं, पेरेंट्स भी वरीड होते हैं कि यार म्यूज़िक आप सिंगर हो, कैसे होगा, क्या होगा, इट्स योर हॉबी, आप कैसे इसको प्रोफेशन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. तो मुझे लगता है कि वो एक टाइम होता है जब आपको ज़रूरत होती है अच्छे दोस्तों की, और जैसा कहा गया है कि किताबें इंसान की सबसे अच्छी दोस्त होती हैं. तो मुझे लगता है कि वो एक टाइम है जब आप ऐसी बुक्स पढ़ के खुद को मोटिवेट कर सकते हैं अपने पैशन के प्रति, और उसको कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं अपने प्रोफेशन में. तो मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा संयम जैन जी को कि उन्होंने ऐसी एक बुक लिखी जो न्यू कमर्स के लिए बिल्कुल एक गाइडेंस का काम करेगी. जब जब आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लूज होगा, मुझे लगता है कि उस बुक को पढ़ने के बाद आप में कुछ पॉजिटिव एनर्जी आएगी. आई थिंक थैंक यू सो मच.
All right, thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. Next, I would request the author of the book, Mr. Sanyam Jain, to please enlighten us with what all he went through while writing this book, and what hit him to write this book. So, Sanyam, please.
Hello everyone. Firstly, I would like to thank Kalinga University for this very good book launch event, because I never imagined that I will write a book and it is being inaugurated in such a good location. And I would also like to thank Mr. Anurag sir for coming in a very short notice, because the programs were, his schedule was fixed, and because of my request he came. So I would like to thank him. And I think it's because of my grandfather, who has authored around 108 books. My father. Let's talk about the book. This book was related to something about passion, and passion makes life perfect, because we all have heard that practice makes man perfect. But what is that one thing that makes your life perfect? And I found the word that it is the passion that makes our life perfect. And at first I gave up, because I used to write fictions, and writing a non-fiction was a really tough job for me. But somehow I wrote the book because the spark continued, which my friends, my family has ignited me. And thank you so much, Kalinga University. At last, I would like to conclude my speech with a very powerful शायरी. काम ऐसा करो कि पहचान बन जाए, चलो ऐसे कि निशान बन जाए. अरे जिंदगी तो हर कोई काट लेता है, अगर दम है तो जियो ऐसा कि एक मिसाल बन जाए. With these words, I would like to thank Kalinga University for this wonderful book launch event. And at last, This is Sayyam Jain, entrepreneur, filmmaker, and a graphic designer.
Alright, thank you so much, Mr. Sayyam. Next, coming up is the experience of the guest writer and our very own Kalinga member, Ms. Avinash Kaur, who also wrote a chapter in this book. So I request Ms. Avinash to please come up on the stage and share her experience.
Thank you so much, sir. सबसे पहले I would like to welcome each and every one of you present here because मेरे घर पे एक रिवाज है, मेरी मम्मी हमेशा बोलती है कि अच्छी चीज़ों की शुरुआत अपने लोगों से की जाती है। तो मेरे ख्याल से ये मेरी पहली शुरुआत है किसी बुक के लिए और मैं सबसे पहले कलिंगा यूनिवर्सिटी को और सभी फैकल्टी मेंबर्स को थैंक यू बोलूँगी टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट बिकॉज इट्स माई प्रिविलेज टू स्टैंड हियर एंड स्पीक अबाउट व्हाट आई हैव रिटन एंड इट इज़ द फर्स्ट स्टेप टूवर्ड्स अ राइटिंग सेशन। ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस एज इन मुझे रिटन राइटिंग का एज इन है नहीं बिकॉज इट्स अ चैप्टर बट आई हैव लर्न अ लॉट। सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ जो मैंने इस चीज़ में सीखी है बुक लिखते लिखते वो ये है कि वेन एवर यू राइट समथिंग इट कम्स विद द इमोशंस एंड एक्सपीरियंस। When I was writing the chapter called Chasing Your Passion, my topic inside the book is Chasing Your Passion, is something which I can relate easily. Till now, whatever I have received or achieved basically is due to chasing my passion towards my experience. And कहीं ना कहीं I would like to thank Sayyam Jain because उन्होंने अगर वो मुझे approach नहीं करते तो शायद मैं ये initiative नहीं ले पाती. So it is a book जो आप पढ़ के अपने आप के अंदर का जो पैशन है एक बार फिर से जागरूक कर सकते हैं।
Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, Dr. Sridhar Sir, the author Sayyam Jain Sir, the co-author Avinash Kaur Ma'am, Chief Guest Anurag Sharma Ji, Kapil Kelkar Sir, my dear colleagues, and my beloved Dean Academics, Rahul Mishra ji. While coming, I was very confused because there was confusion for two reasons. One, we have supposed to be attending a demo lecture at the boardroom room number 1, and the second, this thing was I got confused when Avinash Kaur came to invite me for this book launch event, and she told I have written a very simple book. It says that passion leads to perfection. So I was again recollecting the same thought. As by the author said, practice makes a man perfect. Then immediately I asked a question to Avinash, what is the difference between passion and ambition? And the author made me more confused. So, and I was thinking a very thick book will be given. Then when the book came also, it's a very thin book, and passions are always very thin. Because when we compare this word passion with obsession, the obsession aspect is bit negative. Passion is within, and the obsession part is an intruding part. Ambition is again an intruding part. But passion is always very slim and thin, and you feel that passionate thing. That when you talk about passion, it is an inbuilt mechanism that is before birth. Listen, you complete these two sentences, you will come to know what exactly I am talking about. Because passion is not only the thing. There is something, you have to give it to something so that the goals becomes the reins. That means जो रहते हैं ना जो घोड़े वोड़े बांधते हैं उसको घोड़े को गाइड करते हैं. Because we all talk about these great things, passion, emotions, ambitions, obsession. Somebody said that I am obsessed with certain things. Obsession is again a negative this thing because it's an intruding part. Ambition is again driven by the surroundings. But this particular thing is very much personal, and I request all of you to ponder upon. I will also ponder upon how this thing is going to make me perfect. I don't know, I have to rework on these things, but thank you very much for showing me a new line and new way of guidance. Thank you very much. I congratulate once again, and keep on writing so that you can go and kiss the world. Thank you very much. God bless.
Thank you so much, sir. I request our Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, Dr. R. Sridhar Sir, to please speak few words on this occasion. Sir, please.
The Honorable Chief Guest, Sayyam Jain Sir, Anurag Sharma Sir, our respected Director General Sir, Rahul Mishra Sir, and all deans and HODs, faculties, all of you, good afternoon. Okay, this is one of the greatest moment we are sharing with all the faculties along with Kalinga family. See, I always like one quote, that is my very favorite quote. The quote says like this: if you follow your passion, the success will going to follow you. So the same book, I feel this is my confidence. The author maybe written many stories based on passion. So this is my humble submission to the all authors of this book. Write more thing on passion, क्योंकि मैं passion में रोज लिखता हूँ, motivation में रोज लिखता हूँ. Many of you are going through my blogs जो मैं रोज लिखता हूँ. So on the behalf of entire Kalinga family, to all the authors of the books, all the best and God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I'll request Mr. Rahul Mishra sir also to please speak few words on this occasion.
Good evening to all of you, the guests present over the stage, and dear colleagues. There is nothing left over to say anything about the passion and all the things. Already DG sir and Sridhar sir has told us so many interesting things. I would like to congratulate Sayyam ji as the author, and Avinash Kaur ma'am as a co-author, and he's dedicated a chapter in the book. And I would like to ask Avinash ma'am to create this kind of writing passion in our students of the BJMC also. Avinash ma'am? Just create this passion of writing something. Yes, because they are going through the so many curriculums of the writing sessions and editorial parts also. So create these things in our students. Okay, once again, congratulations to all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Well, next I would like to deliver a memento to the special guest of today's event, the chief guest Mr. Anurag Sharma and the main author of the book Mr. Sayyam Jain. I request Deepa ma'am to please lead us for the memento distribution. I would request our Honorable Vice Chancellor sir to please hand over a memento to the chief guest of the day, Mr. Anurag Sharma. Next, I would request our Honorable Director General sir to present a memento to the author of the book, Mr. Sayyam Jain, as a token of love from Kalinga University. Thank you so much, sir. Well, at last, I would like to thank each and everyone present here for gracing this occasion and making it memorable for all of us, with the hope that there remains the passion inside all of us and we get the courage and power to chase our passion to make our life better. Thank you so much to all the people present on the stage. Thank you all the faculty members and colleagues. Thank you one and all, and have a great day. Thank you.
मैं कोशिश करता हूँ। तो क्या सुनना चाहेंगे आप लोग? मतलब मैं हूँ तो बेसिकली छत्तीसगढ़ी या प्लेबैक सिंगर, तो छत्तीसगढ़ी चाहें तो छत्तीसगढ़ी, हिंदी कहें तो हिंदी। तो 4 लाइनें हैं जो मेरी खुद की गाई हुई हैं, जो छत्तीसगढ़ महतारी के लिए हैं। तो पहले मुझे लगता है कि शुरुआत उनसे कर सकते हैं। तोर माटी है माथ के चंदन, अमृत है तोर जानी तोर को राहे सुख के छैहा दया माया के छानी माटी मोर महतारी हवे रे माटी मोर महतारी।
It's a very good privilege and honor for me to extend a warm thank you for the one and only best author Sanjay Jain for giving me the opportunity to write an article for his book Passion Makes Your Life Perfect. I wish him all the best for his future. Thank you.
Kalinga provided me the opportunity to have this book launch event on their campus, and I feel very glad that I have the opportunity to express my views in front of a very big audience, and I can't have words to express my feeling, and I hope that you guys will read the books, and thank you so much for watching this video.